welcome back to another video. Something a bit different today. I have had to build a set of nails on a £5 budget. I'll tell you more about it as the video goes on, but it couldn't just be a gel polish design, it had to be extensions, enhancements on a £5 budget. So I'll quickly show you what I bought. This is all from AliExpress. I got 2 dip powders from Nicole Diary, a base, an activator and a top. And I also managed to get some tips and some stickers to decorate. So I'm just using these square tips I've got in my flexi hand just to act as a natural nail bed, because I'm doing it on my flexi hand instead of my own hands. And I've used the base liquid to glue these tips on. I really struggled with these tips because them square tips that I put in were really flat and the tips have got a really nice C-curve, so I just pinched them in at the sides with my tweezers. This set started off an absolute dog's dinner, but thank God for nail files, because the nail file at the end saved the day. Right, I'm just filing the shiny surface off these nail tips, and I'm just trying to make that tip where I've glued it on just a bit flush with the nail, and I'm going to snip them right down because they're way too long. I don't do dip powder nails as it is. I think I've only ever done a natural overlay on my own nails, so I really struggle with this set. But I still managed to build a set of nails for £5. So I'm just getting all these nails nice and quite short, making sure they're a nice coffin and getting that shiny surface off as well. And then we're going to get started and build some sort of nails. Right, so the 2 dip powders I got just a pale pink. They're both from Nicole Diary. So that's the pale pink one. And I got a glittery one as well. I'm just going to do a bit of a... I was just going to do an accent nail with the glitter one, but I ended up doing a bit of a glitter fade on the rest of the nails as well. Right, so I'm going in with the base. And I'm just copying what I've seen on YouTube videos. I'm going over where the tip has been glued on. I'm going over that bit first with the base. And I think this is just to help create a bit of an apex and a bit of strength in the middle. And I'm going to dip that and do that on all the nails. I'm only going to show you doing one nail. I'm going to stick to this nail, I think, and keep doing the other ones off camera, or else the video would have been an hour long. So brush that powder off once it's dry. And then I'm going to go in with the base again. And if you look there, I'm doing it just a bit higher up. And then I'm going to dip that as well. I think I did about 4 layers just because they started to look a mess. And I just thought if I built it up and do 3 or 4 layers, it gives me a bit of room to file them into shape, which it did. So again, I'm going to brush all that powder off. And I'm going to go in again with the base, do another layer. Again, a bit higher up. And then after this layer, I'm going to do another layer and completely cover the nail in the last layer, right up to the cuticle. So I'll let you watch this last bit and I will be back. Right, that's all my layers done. They're looking very lumpy bumpy, but that's what the file is for. Right, so now I'm going to get this activator put on. Leave this activator on for a couple of minutes just to harden up that glue and get the nails to set. Now I'm going to go in and get these filed into some sort of shape. Yeah. I actually managed to get them not a bad shape actually. And you've got to remember guys, this was a £5 budget. I had to work with what I had. I couldn't use an e-file. I just had to use what I had, but they turned out alright in the end. I didn't do too bad to say that I don't use dip powder. I've never done a set of extensions using dip powder. I think we did alright. Right, and just to tell you a little bit about this challenge, it was Sarah from Pumpkin's Nail Station asked if I'd do it with her. Where we're on a £5 budget basically, and we had to build a set of nail extensions. I think Sarah's gone with polygel, and I went with dip powder, and this is what I ended up with, which for £5 I think is amazing. And for this £5 as well, you're not just going to get one set. I've still got all the dip powder, I've still got the liquids, the tips, the stickers. So for that £5 I could get a lot of sets, which I think is brilliant. Right, so I've got them all filed and buffed. Look, they don't look too bad, do they? Right, I'm going in with the base again. On the ring finger, I'm going to... No, I think I did it on the pinky. Yeah. On the pinky. I'm going in with the base again. And I'm going to completely cover this pinky in the glitter. And on the other 3 nails... No, not on the other 3 nails. On the middle finger and the pointy, I'm going to do a little bit of a glitter fade. I am going to do a couple of layers of the glitter, only because I want to be able to give it a little bit of a buff, because obviously I haven't got a clear dip powder in this budget to cap it, which I normally would do. So what I did is just give it an extra layer of glitter as what I normally would do, just so that it'd give me a little room to buff it smooth. So I'll let you watch and I'll be back. Right, so that's them glitter nails. I've put activator on them as well, because it's still dip powder acrylic. It still needed to be set. So I'm just putting some stickers on this ring finger now, and then I'm going to get them top coated, and that'll be the set finished. Okay guys, that's them finished. I did give them 2 quite generous layers of top coat just to get that glitter encapsulated. I don't think I did too bad on a £5 budget. I was quite surprised with how they turned out. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will leave Sarah's video pinned in my comments and you can go over and see what she did with her £5. I said it earlier, I think she did a polygel set. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, something a bit different. If you did enjoy the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.